Hi guys, welcome to today's session, and today we are going to discuss about National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. And in this session we'll first discuss a brief about rare diseases, and then we'll discuss what are the key features of National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. And this scheme comes under, or this policy mentions about Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi. So we'll discuss a few points about Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi scheme. So this is how I plan this session. Let's now start. So recently, government notified, Union Health Ministry released the National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021, and rare diseases is also referred to as orphan disease, and it is any disease that affects a small percentage of population. And most rare diseases are genetic and are present throughout a person's entire life, even if symptoms do not immediately appear. In Europe, a disease or disorder is defined as rare when it affects less than 1 in 2,000 citizens. And so, likewise, every country has its own definition, and rare diseases are characterized by a wide diversity of symptoms and signs that vary not only from disease to disease but also from patient to patient suffering from the same disease. And relatively common symptoms can hide underlying rare diseases, leading to misdiagnosis. And the most common rare diseases recorded in India are hemophilia, thalassemia, sickle cell anemia, and primary immunodeficiency in children, autoimmune diseases, lysosomal storage disorders such as Pompe disease and Gaucher's disease and cystic fibrosis, etc. These are certain types of rare diseases recorded in India. And as I mentioned earlier, every country has its own definition for rare diseases. US defines rare diseases as a disease or condition that affects fewer than 2 lakh patients in the country. Likewise, as we discussed, European Union defines rare diseases as life-threatening or chronically debilitating or weakening condition. It should affect no more than 5 in 10,000 people. So our government came up with this policy, National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021, and the policy aims to lower the incidence and prevalence of rare diseases based on an integrated and comprehensive preventive strategy. And the strategy include awareness generation, counseling programs, and providing affordable healthcare, among others. Now we'll discuss what are the key features of this National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. The policy categorizes rare diseases into 3 groups. Group 1 is disorders amenable to one-time curative treatment, and second group is diseases require long-term or lifelong treatment, and group 3 are diseases for which definitive treatment is available, but challenges are to make an optimal patient selection for benefit. So these are the 3 categorization, and now we will look what are the government support for each category. Government will provide financial support of up to 20 lakh under the umbrella scheme of Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi for treatment of those rare diseases listed under Group 1. Moreover, beneficiaries of for such financial assistance would not be limited to BPL families. Above 40% of population eligible under Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana will also be eligible for assistance. And for Group 2, state governments can consider supporting specific patients. It includes a rare disease that can be managed with special diets or hormonal supplements or other relatively low cost interventions. And there is a provision for voluntary crowdfunding. Government has said that it will assist voluntary crowdfunding for treatment of Group 3 category. And it is because it will be difficult to fully finance the treatment of a high cost rare disease of Group 3. And the policy offers no support to patients awaiting treatment since the earlier National Policy for Treatment of Rare Disease 2017 was kept on hold. and also the policy has left patients with group 3 rare diseases to fend for themselves. So it has absolutely no consideration for group 3 patients who require lifelong treatment support, and these are the concerns related with this policy. Anyways, we look forward how it is developing or how it is going to help the rare disease patients in our country. And guys, we have mentioned about Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi. We'll now discuss few words about Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi. Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi was set up to provide financial assistance to patients living below a poverty line and who are suffering from major life-threatening diseases to receive medical treatment at any of super specialty hospitals or institutes or other government hospitals. And the financial assistance to such patients is released in the form of one-time grant, which is released to the medical superintendent of the hospital in which the treatment has been received. That is Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi. It's a different scheme, and that's all about this topic, guys. And it is recently released policy, the national policy for rare diseases. So you can expect questions in mains examination. It's a developing topic as well. So please follow the news regarding National Policy for Rare Diseases 2021. So that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow with another topic. Thank you for watching this lesson.